Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Aviator Predictor app. And as you guys can see, we're going to be able to predict everything on with the Aviator Predictor app. Let's go ahead and do another one, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So we're going to go ahead and predict this right now. Just wait for it to basically load. And it's going to come out at 2.82. Now what we're going to do is simply wait for the next game, and we're going to go ahead and get this. Now in this video, guys, I am going to show you guys how to get this installed here today. And as you guys can see, it predicted it perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is basically show you the full tutorial of how to actually get this, guys, and how to install the Aviator Predictor app. It is so easy, working for both iOS and Android devices. All you need to do is basically follow along exactly what I'm doing in this tutorial. It's like I said, it's going to be the same for Android. I'm going to do it on iOS, but it is exactly the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we need to do is come over here to Safari or Google Chrome, Firefox, wherever you visit a website, okay? And what we're going to do is type into this website. It's called plugineasy.com. Now I'm going to spell this out for you, so type this in. www.plugineasy.com. Plugineasy.com, okay? Just let this load. Now, once you're here, it's going to load the Plugin Easy website, and this is where we're going to get the Aviator Predictor. So just type AVA or AVIATOR, and you're going to see Aviator Predictor installer for iOS and Android. So just copy exactly what I'm doing, guys. Tap on this one, and then press Start Installation. And what that's going to do is go ahead and install the Aviator Predictor app for both iOS and Android. And all you need to simply do is go ahead and wait for this to download and install it. It's going to basically patch the files for us, guys, and go ahead and get us the Aviator Predictor app. So we're going to wait for this to finish installing. It should take about a minute. It doesn't take too long, and this is going to allow you to go ahead and use it on the games. Now, there's a lot of fake videos out there. This one is 100% working and real. I've tested this, I've used this, it does work, and I just showed you before. So give this video a thumbs up if it did work for you, and so you let other people know that this is actually working, and share it with your friends as well, so make sure it all works out. Okay, as you guys can see, Plugin Easy is nearly done installing the Aviator Predictor app. So what's going to do here is load where we're going to need to actually install the plugin. Now I'm going to show you that right here. So it's going to say Aviator Predictor. Your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. Now this is going to be completely normal, and depending on what country you're from, this is going to show different things here. Now for me, it's going to show you these ones. I highly recommend if you see the fetch one, do this one. It's super easy, but that one's not there all the time. So I'm going to do some ones that you might see on your list, and it's going to be different, but you only need to do 2, and you're going to get Aviator Predictor. So what we're going to do is come over here and get this Coin Master one. Now, they're going to have some instructions on these lists. You only need to do 2, but they're going to have some instructions. So Coin Master says, go ahead and complete Village Level 3. So what you do is you tap on it, press Continue. And what's going to happen, it's going to load the store here, and we're going to go ahead and get Coin Master. So luckily for you in this video, I actually already did this for us. So just to save a bit of time. But as you guys can see, I got to Village Level 4. Whatever village it says to get to, you need to make sure you are completing that. And with Coin Master, all you need to do is simply just play the game, level up your village, spin to get some coins, and then you level up your village, and that's going to count as 1. Now, these do take a little bit of time, but there are going to be some easy ones. Like the fetch one is very easy, and also this one, Evertail. This one's very easy as well. So it just says, go ahead and get Evertail. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and show you just how easy this is. Okay, so we're going to download Evertail. Alrighty, so we just press on the download button there, okay? Like I said, I did the Coin Master one just to save a bit of time, because Coin Master does take about 5 to 10 minutes in order to do. This Evertail one is super quick, and I'm gonna show you me doing it right now. Now remember, guys, whatever you have, you might have different ones to me, but when you tap it on this page, just read the unlock instructions. That's gonna be the additional plugin file unlock instructions, so you can actually get the Aviator Predictor app. So you need to read this. Every single one of them is going to be different, so make sure you are reading that before you press continue. And it should be translated to your language and stuff, so you should be all good. But now, as you guys can see, Evertail is now finished. All we need to do is simply load it back into Evertail, okay? And then we go ahead and press OK, and then that's going to complete that. So now what's happening is now you should have the Aviator Predictor app installed because we completed 2 of these things. Now, if you don't see this, new app right here, okay, if you don't see it, you need to go ahead and try a different one, or you maybe didn't read the instructions, or maybe it takes a bit of time for it to actually, register that you've done it. But once you guys have done that, you can go ahead and start predicting stuff. Again, guys, it seriously is that easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And like I said, give it a thumbs up if it did work for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.